Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now to get to the cabin air filter, first we need to go up and open up the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box, empty out the glove box, get everything out because we need to get the glove box out of there. First off, we need to get that dampener arm off. So grab it and just pull it out like that, and now push it in to just get it out of the way. Now we need to get the glove box off, but it's being held in place by those two stoppers. See that? There's one on each side. We need to get that out first. So the way to do it, you need to squish it in. You need to squish in at the same time. If you're not able to do that, I'll show you a trick. Just do the one first. That one, so squish it in, and then at the same time pull the glove box down. So in and pull the glove box down with the other hand, and keep pressure on it. Keep pressure on the glove box downwards, and then with the other hand squish the other side in, and that's it. Now it's loose. Now you should be able to just get the entire glove box out. See that? Just lower it and pull it back. It'll come off those hinges. Set it aside, and there's the cabin air filter. To get it out, squish it from those tabs and then just slide it out. That's it. It's simple as that. The whole cabin filter housing just comes off. Let's take a closer look at it. That's the top side. That's dirty because what happens is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the bottom goes into the blower motor. That's why it's clean. That's the clean side. For now I'm just going to put this filter back in, but you need to get a new filter and slide it in. Note the position of the arrow. That arrow position is for the top side of the filter. That's not the direction of airflow. Airflow goes from top to bottom. That arrow on the filter is only to note the position of the top side of the filter. Okay, slide it in. It's locked in place. Let's put the glove box back in. To put it back in, we just need to align those hinges with the hooks over there like that. Let's get a closer look. Yep, once it's all aligned, all we have to do is just push it, and that's good. And now let's push the glove box upwards and in. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Let's not forget to put the dampener arm back in its place. So pull it out, align it, and then push it in. It's good. Let's try opening and closing the glove box now. That is looking good. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video helpful.